Hello dosto, hope you all are doing good. Today we are back with yet another video wherein we would be talking about our client who has come from very far to get her 30 inches done. Yes, you heard that right. So as you can see, she has a thin hair and she wants to get long and thick hair. So we would be trying our best to give her the bestest look out of it. Now let's get started with our first procedure, and we'll be washing her hair thoroughly and then would be doing the other procedures. But then before that, we would be checking her hairs are matching with our the extensions or not. We, as you can see, we have carefully matched her hairs with the entire look. And as you can see, it is long and luscious as well, because of course it is 30 inches. Now without further ado, we would be first doing the first procedure of actually blow drying her hairs, which is generally done after the hair wash. Once the blow dry would be completed, we would be starting with our next procedure, which is of course you guessed that right, which is the pressing part. So we would be doing the pressing part here, and then after that we would be placing the extensions as a whole. Now the placement of extensions or any queries if you have in regards to how the placements is done, comment, is it safe, box below, or a DM us also at Hair Extension Castle Instagram page. As you can see right now, we have sectionized her hair so that we can place the extensions carefully. We take utmost safety and place the extensions beautifully one by one, so that it is done with most carefulness. Now you can see once the pressing is done, we have started the entire procedure of placing and would be placing the extensions here on. It is going to get done one on one. We are doing the placements, and as you can see how the joints are being done here. So yeah, the placements are done. She is busy talking with her friend who is also here to get her extensions done as well. So yeah, one on one the extensions are done beautifully. The first section is done, and then we'll be moving on to the next section here. So without further ado, let us move to the next section. These are the long hairs. This yes guys, this is 30 inches. In case you want to get some shorter hair, or you want to get some more longer hairs, you can DM us and know about that as well. So this is the entire final look which I was talking about. You can see this, the extensions have been so beautifully placed here that you cannot even find which are her hairs, real hairs, and which are the extensions. Extensions have been so beautifully placed here that you cannot even find which are her hairs, real hairs, and which are the extension part. So yeah, these are the beautiful hair of our client, and with her smile, I'm sure you can guess is she liking the look or not. If you can see it from front as well, you would not be able to find any kind of discrepancy in terms of the extension part. So yeah, this is the final look which we have given to the client.